So today we're doing cooking with a twist, and we're doing street chicken tacos, or street tacos, whatever, but we're doing it with a nice carrot pico de gallo, because instead of using tomatoes, which is traditional in pico de gallo, we're using julienne carrots. I mean, tomatoes and carrots are both beta-carotene, so it's not like that big a deal or switch. Let's get started. So go ahead and take your raw chicken meat and rinse it under cold water. That way you remove any of the raw juices from the chicken. Next thing we're going to do is take all-purpose flour, and we're going to toss our raw chicken meat in with the flour. You can add garlic, salt, or pepper into the flour to help tenderize the chicken meat and, just good flavor. Then you're going to cook it in a skillet with olive oil for about 5 minutes. You want to see it golden brown on the edges, pink in the center of the meat. Next, you're going to cut the onion in half, leaving the bulb ends on, and immediately put on the flat end of the cutting board because you don't want to expose your eyes to the aroma of the onion. And then you're just going to cube it and chop it. Next thing we're going to do is take the cilantro, and we are going to, as we chop it, we're going to curl in our fingertips. That way it's safe and we don't accidentally cut off one of our fingers. Next thing, in a large bowl, add onion, cilantro, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, in with 1.5 cups of julienne carrots. Then we're going to squeeze in 1 whole lime. It's good to cut off the edges first so that you get more of the lime juice into the bowl. You get more bang for your buck when it comes to lime juice. Then you're going to fold in everything in that large bowl. Next, with your flour tortilla, cheddar cheese, add the chicken that we just cooked, and garnish with the carrot pico de gallo. And there you have it, chicken street tacos with carrot pico de gallo. Beautiful.
Go for it. Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Just tell them how much you like the taco, because you just devoured it.
I mean, it's healthy. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, say it while you're eating.
That's
good.
perfect.
That's perfect.
He always comes to my class and eats anything that we cook in this class. Is that right?